When it comes to choosing the best VPN, it often comes down to what you're looking for, whether you're trying to spoof your location globally with ExpressVPN or looking to save some serious cash with Mullvad VPN. Both have their strengths, but there are trade-offs that might affect your decision. Stick around until the end, because I'll be giving you a recommendation that beats both of these options for what you're really looking for. Let's start with ExpressVPN. If you're someone who needs to hop across different regions for things like accessing geo-blocked content, gaming, or protecting your data on public Wi-Fi, ExpressVPN shines. It offers servers in over 90 countries, which is excellent for global location spoofing. You can easily switch between countries and get access to almost any content you want, whether it's Netflix, BBC iPlayer, or other region-specific services. Its speeds are consistently fast, and that's crucial if you need smooth streaming or gaming. Next, ExpressVPN is known for its user-friendly interface. Whether you're new to VPNs or an experienced user, the setup is easy, and you won't have to dive into any complicated settings. Plus, it works on pretty much any device, from your computer to your smart TV. However, while ExpressVPN excels in these areas, it's not perfect. One of the biggest downsides is its price. It's definitely on the higher end of the VPN spectrum, which is a deal breaker for some users, especially if you're just looking for basic privacy protection. So, if you're more of a bargain hunter, ExpressVPN might not be the best choice. Now, let's talk about Mullvad VPN. If you're looking for an affordable option with solid privacy and security features, Mullvad might be the way to go. It offers a flat rate pricing model of around $5 a month, making it one of the best choices for bargain hunters. You'll get a secure and anonymous service with no personal information required to sign up, just an account number. This focus on privacy is one of Mullvad's strongest points. However, when it comes to spoofing locations, Mullvad is not quite as robust as ExpressVPN. It has servers in fewer countries and doesn't offer as much flexibility in terms of geo-specific content access. That could be a problem if you're relying on your VPN to access content from multiple regions consistently. It's also not as fast as ExpressVPN, particularly when connecting to more distant servers. Now, the fourth thing to consider is security. Both services offer strong encryption, kill switches, and a no-logs policy, which is essential for privacy-conscious users. But Mullvad's commitment to anonymity is much more transparent. For example, it doesn't ask for email addresses and operates in a way that makes it harder to trace activity back to you. This can be a huge advantage if privacy is your top priority, especially over long periods of use. But let's be honest, Mullvad, despite its advantages, is still lacking in some areas, like location variety and speed. And when it comes to user experience, it can feel a bit more barebones compared to ExpressVPN's polished interface. So, which one should you choose? If you're a global location spoofer who wants access to the best content, super fast speeds, and a highly polished experience, ExpressVPN is your go-to choice. But if you're on a budget and are willing to sacrifice some of the global location spoofing and speed for better privacy and lower costs, Mullvad could work well for you. But here's the thing. Both are good, but after trying both myself, I found a better alternative. If you're looking for the best of both worlds, strong global spoofing capabilities, top-tier security, excellent speeds, and affordable pricing, take advantage of the free trial link in the description. This exclusive offer is only available to you, our viewers, and will give you access to a VPN that beats both ExpressVPN and Mullvad. Don't miss out on this deal.